How to create Facebook page for business, laptop, and PC. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a professional Facebook page for your business using your laptop or PC. This guide covers all essential steps from setting up your page and choosing the right category to adding business details, uploading images, and customizing your page for maximum impact. Whether you are a small business owner or a freelancer, having a Facebook page can significantly enhance your online presence. So let's get started. So first, open any web browser you want to use and go to the Facebook website. Make sure that your account is logged in. As you can see, mine is already on the website and logged in. If your account is logged in, click the menu icon, which is located at the top right of the screen beside the messenger icon. The menu appears. Just click the Page tab at the right side of the screen. Now that we are in the Page tab, it's up to you on how you want to set up your page. There is a page name, which is required. There is also a category of the page, which is also required, like I do, where it is all about clothing. There is a bio section, which is optional, but I prefer you make your page look reasonable to visit and fill out the bio text box. But it is still up to you if you want to. After you fill out the forms, just click the Create Page button at the bottom left of the website screen to create the page. Creating a Facebook page for your business is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your visibility online. Remember to keep your page updated with fresh content and engage with your audience regularly. As you grow your page, consider exploring Facebook's advertising options to reach a larger audience. Start building your online presence today.